Welcome in Hartikesh Academy. Before these lectures, we have taken the lectures and you have seen completed the topic of couplings. There are two type of coupling is there, LS coupling and JJ coupling. So using LS coupling and JJ coupling, how we can write the terms. So using JJ coupling, we have seen the total angular momentum, that is J equals to L plus S. So there are three vectors which can be arises in the atomic physics. So J is the total angular momentum of that atom, L is the total orbital angular momentum of electron, and S is the spin angular momentum of that electron. So we can write this, there are two coupling. So L, total L of the electrons and total S of this electrons form the total angular momentum J. Now the today's topic is how we can write the term symbol and what are the normal order of that configuration. So today we have seen, we will learn about the how to write the terms symbol. So to write the term symbol, first we will know the values of L, S and J. So for different state we can write. So for that the important terms is the multiplicity. So multiplicity which can be used to write the terms and which can be denoted by 2s plus 1. Multiplicity is denoted by the 2s plus 1. Then another term is the electron state. So as we know that for hydrogen atoms we have written the small l orbital values, L equal to 0, then the electron state is small s. When L equals to 1, the state is small p, and so on. L equal to 2, that is d states. L equal to 3, that is f states. Now for writing the term symbol, we have to use their capital values. Means we have to write for total angular momentum. So in that case, to writing the term symbol, we can use the capital letter. So capital letter, when L equals to 0, then the state is capital S state. For L equal to 1, then the state is capital P state, and so on if capital L. So this is capital L means more than 2 electrons which can form a orbital angular momentum, then the states is represented by the capital letters. So according to this values of orbital angular orbital momentum or that quantum number, we can write that states. And another is the value of J. The value of J, we have to use value of J for that state. So how we can write this term symbol? So the term symbol can be write with the help of like that. So there is the patterns to write the term symbol. Now for any states, this values is represented by capital letter S, P, D, F or whatever this. So this is the quantum number, orbital quantum number. This state is orbital quantum number, and there is two values that can be used So one is superscript and another is subscript. So in that case it is the value of multiplicity, and here in subscript it is the value of j, So for example we can write, if multiplicity, so multiplicity which is represented by 2s plus 1 values, so how we can write this this term symbol? So term symbol can be written as the values of L. So depending the values of L, so we will get this capital state of the electron. So we can write, for example, if you are having the p states and the multiplicity is 2 and there is the values of j. So what are the possible values of that 2p state? What are the possible values of 2p state? Or we can write 3 is a superscript, so that is orbital quantum number states, and here in subscript we can write the values of the j, total orbital quantum number. So we can see the example. If we take the example, so example number 1, we have to write the term symbol for 2p states. What are the possible values of j? So how can write the term symbol for 2p state for 2p states? So what are the term symbol? How can write the term symbol? So as we know that this superscript, so superscript is the value of multiplicity. So what is the value of multiplicity? So multiplicity value is 2s plus 1 equal to 2. So this 2 value is nothing but the multiplicity. From that we get the values of s, and from this p state we get the values of, this is the capital P, the values of L, and if we get the values of s and L, so we can write the values of j. So from that what will be the value of s? So that is 2s equal to 2 minus 1, so 2s equals to 1 and s equal to half. The value of s is half. Now another is, this is multiplicity. Now another value is for capital P states. So for capital P state, capital P state, what is the value of L? The value of L is 1. And what are the possible values of J? So the possible values of J, will take, that is L plus S to L minus S. L plus S to L minus S. So how we can write these terms? That is 2p. So what are the values of J? So the values of J is plus, first time we can plus, if we plus L plus J, so L plus J, that is 1 plus half. So 1 plus half, what are the values of J? Values of J, 1 plus half, that is 3 by 2, and up to values L minus, so L is 1, it is equal to 1 minus half is half. So there is no another terms in, because 3 by 2, 1 by 2, like that. Okay, so this we will get this two values. So the term symbol symbol for 2p. So 2p, that is 3 by 2, and another terms, that is 2p half. So how we can read these terms? That is 2p 3 half states and 2p half states, or that is also called as doublet p 3 half states, doublet p half states. So we can read as like that. This term symbol is read. So as we would get the another example is, that is doublet p, that is triplet p, and another if we take, that is singlet p. So for any state we can write the term symbol like that. So understood? Now the second term is how we can write the another coupling. So this term symbol we can write by using LS coupling, because there is a L and S. So L and S gives J values. The another coupling is JJ coupling. So in JJ coupling, L1 and S1 will give J1, L and S2 and L2, that will gives another J2, and J1 and J2 will gives J values. So in that case we can also write the term symbol for JJ coupling. So what are the terms arises using JJ coupling? For if we take this example, sp electron, so we can write the term symbol using JJ coupling. For electronic configuration, sp configuration. Now we can solve it. How we can write the terms? So for sp, so there is 2 electrons in that particular configuration. So first, if s equals to the electron state is s, so we can write what are the values. So L1, which is equals to 0 for the state L1, because there is 2 electron is there. So one electron is in S state, another is in P state, and another is for P. For P we can write L2, another electron. So one electron's orbital quantum number is 0 because of S state, another L2, that is equals to 1. Now next is spin S1. So we know that spin quantum number. So spin quantum number is always half. Okay, that values. So another values S2, that is also half. Now from L1 and S1 we will get the values of that J1. Okay, so what will be the J1? J1 will be 0 plus half, that is half, and L2 and S2 will gives J2, which is equal to half plus 1, that is 3 by 2. That will be 3 by 2. Now the values of J will take J1 plus J2 to J1 minus J2. It is a small value. So what are the values of J? The values of J will, now first case we can plus and up to J1 minus J2. So what are the values of J? So J1, which is equals to, or for values of J2. Sorry, J. So what are the values? J1 plus J2. What is the values of J1? So that is J1 value is 3 by 2 and half. So that will get the values 3 by 2, that is 2, and another values up to 3 by 2 minus half. So 3 by 2 minus half is, that is 3 by 2 minus half, that is 1. So we'll get this two values. We'll get this two values. Now we can write the values of J1 and J2. So in that case we can write this values too, like that. So how this values? J1 is 3 by 2, J1 is half, and J2 is 3 by 2, and what are the values? That is 2 and 1. So you can write these values, or you can write separately 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 2, and that is 1 by 2, 3 by 2, that is 1. So in this case we can write these values for any electronic configurations. Okay, clear it? Now another example, we can write angle between L, S and J. So how can we calculate the angle between L and S, L and J and S for any states? For that we have to write the vectors form. So for vectors form, as we know that if it is a L vector, if it is S vector, and the third vector is J, so J is always L vector plus S vector. So in magnitude, as we know that if it is A vector, if it is B vector, and if it is R vector, then the magnitude of R square, which is written as, that is A square plus B square plus twice AB cos theta, or this R magnitude, which is nothing but under root of A square plus B square plus twice AB cos theta, like that. Okay, so in that case we can write the values of J in magnitude, that is L square plus S square plus twice L S cos theta. So that theta is nothing but the angle between L and S, this values L and S, the angle between L and S, and we can calculate this angle L and S. So that this J square, as we know that what are the values of J in quantum number? So the values of J, the vector values of J, which is nothing but J star H cross, J star H cross. So J star is nothing but the that magnitude of total angular momentum. Okay, it is the quantum number related to total angular momentum. So we can write that is J stars square, which is equals to L star square. So it is a magnitude, so like that. This is the capital values plus 2 L star S star and cos angle between L and S, angle between L and S. So for that, how we can find the angle between L and S? Okay, to find angle between L and S, so we can write that is 2 L star S star cos angle between L and S, which is equals to J star square, and this term will be get on this J star's side, so it is in minus sign, L star square minus S star square. Now by taking or dividing this by 2L, so that terms will get in divided, that is 2 L star and S star, and the angle between L and S, so the angle between L and S, that angle is LS, which is nothing but cos inverse of that values, that is J star square minus L star square S star square divided by 2 L star S star. So using this formula, so we can formulate this formula for angle to find the angle for any values. If you are new in the channel, you can like, subscribe it and share it for many group your friends also. Thank you.